Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm here at work on a Sunday because we have incredible team coverage. You can get live streaming on 10 TV Plus all day long. We're going to track the storm. You'll know the snow, where it's at, how long it sticks around, totals. We'll have reporters in the field. Everything you need to know to stay safe and get through this major winter storm. So hope you'll join us, and I'll be posting some updates here on social media as well. So stay safe, stay warm, and stay with us on 10 TV Plus. We are here for you.